Good morning, everyone. As you can see, this is Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 model laptop. Came in 2023, still new, less than a year. And some sort of machine, I received a lot of messages from my viewers that said, some of them, they do have the battery issue. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace it. This video only for tutorial purpose, so to be honest, the battery is absolutely fine, just to show you in case if you do have some issues like that. I had a request from online to produce a video how to replace the battery for Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 2023 model. Alright, so you should have few tools. As you can see, this is my automatic precision Phillips screwdriver, then the manual one, flat opening tool plastic, and flat opening tool metal one. Okay, those are the tools that you need, and of course the tweezer. So that model is quite slim, and many people, they are scared and they have concern to try themselves to replace something. Okay, and that is pretty simple, to be honest. Can you see the four pads? The grip, actually, under the grip, each of them has screw. So remove all the pads one by one, and then take out four screws one by one. I'm going to use my automatic tool. The reason is every day I had to open many laptops, and if I use the manual screwdriver, that's going to hurt, to be honest. Okay, so once the screw removed, we're going to lift off the actual back cover. But because of this is very slim and slippery, I'm going to put some sort of cloth underneath so it doesn't get any sort of accidental damage. You can use a tea towel or something like that, or microfiber cloth, and then we're going to lift it off like that, not from that side. Okay, so follow the guidance, otherwise you're going to break a lot of anchors which one keep the back cover close to the actual laptop. You can try from any side. I'm going to try from right side with the plastic one, because if you use the plastic tool, it doesn't leave any marks or anything. Okay, so I do prefer the plastic one, especially if you do first in your life, then you should go for the plastic one. You can buy from eBay easily. So that's the back cover. As you can see, all the anchors are everything in place, nothing damaged. Okay, and here's the battery. As you can see, it's a quite big battery. I believe this is 16 watt hour, which is I think 70 watt hour, which one would give you around 15 hours plus battery backup. So first of all, for any laptop replacement or repair, what you should do, try your best to disconnect the battery before you touch to any other component. Okay, so I'm going to lift the connector off. This is a little bit tricky. Take your time. Don't push it hard. Give it a try. If one attempt doesn't work, try again, and it should be fine. Now we're going to remove four screws from the battery. Which one? Keep the battery into the place. Two of them on the side way and two of them at the bottom way. So four screws removed. You can lift it up. There is no glue or adhesive anything. So that's the battery. Let's check the model number, which is AA-PBMN4VN. That's the model for X360. Sorry, Galaxy Book Pro 360. Once you have the replacement battery, put it into the place. We're going to put back four screws and put the back cover on, and then replacement should be done. Before we put the back cover on, we're going to give it a try, because this sort of machine does have smart software which could detect the battery, So especially if you do have copy on, sometimes it doesn't match and the system can recognize if there is any battery. So it's always better to give it a try. I checked it, original battery working absolutely brilliant. Now we're going to start from the front side and then slowly close every single gap, and then we'll put four screws back and the pad, and then the replacement should be done. Hope you did like the video. If you do have any question regarding this model, feel free to leave it a comment below. And also, if you do like, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.